Hi viewers, this is Vishnuvardhan. Today I am going to explain the topic rational numbers. I will give you the definition of rational numbers. After that I will explain you the properties of the rational numbers. First, definition. Rational number is a number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0. Okay, I will get it on board. Actually, the four basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The first property of rational number, that is closure property. Okay. Now let us check this closure property is applicable for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First, let us start from addition. Addition. If I take any two rational numbers, if I do addition for the two rational numbers, the result is also a rational number. If I add any two rational numbers, the result is also a rational number, then we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. Here I am taking two rational numbers. Example 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. These two numbers I will add and I will check the result, whether the result is a rational number or not. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 is equal to LCM of this 5 and 7 is 35. 5 and 7 is 35. This 5 is 7 times of 35. See here, 5. How many times in 35? 5 into 5 7 is 35. This 7 times it is in 35. So that 7 and this numerator 7 3 ja 21 plus. Now check the second denominator with 35. 7 how many times in 35? 7 how many times in 35? 7 5 is 35. This 5 and the second fraction numerator 7 into 2, that is 14. Final answer is 21 plus 14, that is 35. 35 by 35. After cancellation, the result is 1. So the result is 1. It is also a rational number. So when I am taking two rational numbers and doing addition, I am getting the result also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B is also a rational number. Then only we can say rational numbers are closed under addition. Now let us check whether the rational numbers are closed under subtraction or not. Okay. Now I am taking any two rational numbers, minus 3 by 5 and 7 by 6. Minus 3 by 5 and 7 by 6. These two are rational numbers. Now I am doing subtraction for these two rational numbers. Minus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 6. Now LCM of these 5 and 6 is 30. 5 and 6 is 30. 6 how many times in 30? 5 how many times in 30? 5 6 is 30. This 6 into corresponding numerator 6 into 3 minus 18. Because of this minus 6 how many times in 30? 6 5 is 30. That 5 into numerator 5 7 is 35 is equal to 30 minus 18 and minus 35. Both are having the same sign. Then we have to do addition. Minus 18 plus minus 35. minus 53 by 30. This is also a rational number. When I am doing subtraction for two rational numbers, the result is also coming a rational numbers. So that we can say, if A, B are any two rational numbers, then A minus B is also a rational number. Let us check whether the rational numbers are closed under multiplication or not. Now take any two rational numbers, minus 3 by 4, 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. These two are rational numbers. I am doing multiplication. Minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. When you are doing multiplication, you have to multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. Okay, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 5 7 are 35. When I am doing multiplication of two rational numbers, the result is also a rational number. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A into B is also a rational number. Now let us go for division. I am taking two rational numbers 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. 2 by 5 divided by 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 5. I am changing this division symbol into symbol. This division will change as into. After changing this division symbol as into, then the next fraction will become reciprocal. That is 5 by 7 will become 7 by 5 is equal to. Now numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 2 7 are 14, 5 5 are 25. Now see here, the two rational numbers 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. If I do division of the two numbers, the result is also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under division. I am taking two rational numbers 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. 2 by 5 divided by 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 5. I am changing this division symbol into symbol. This division will change as into. After changing this division symbol as into, then the next fraction will become reciprocal. That is 5 by 7 will become 7 by 5 is equal to. Now numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 2 7 are 14, 5 5 are 25. Now see here, the two rational numbers 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. If I do division of the two numbers, the result is also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under division. Under division, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A divided by B is also a. Let us discuss about commutative property. First, I am doing addition. Here commutative property. Commutative property means if I take any two numbers, addition, say A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B, I am reversing and doing addition. Then also I will get the same result. Then we can say rational numbers are commutative under addition. Now I am taking two numbers 1 by 3, 2 by 7. 1 by 3 and 2 by 7. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 7 is equal to LCM of denominators 21. This 3 is 7 times in 21. That's 7 into 1. 7 1 ja 7 plus this 7 is 3 times in 21. That is 3 into 2. 3 2 ja 6. Final answer is 13 by 21. Now reverse the numbers and do addition. 2 by 7 plus 1 by 3 is equal to, LCM is again 21. 7 will go 3 times in 21. 3 into 2, 6 plus 7 will go 3 will go 7 times in 21. So that 7 into 1, 7. Finally, answer is 13 by 21. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 7 is also 13 by 21. 2 by 7 plus 1 by 3 is also 21. Even I am reversing the numbers, also I am getting the same result, same answer. So that we can say rational numbers are commutative under addition. Rational numbers are commutative under addition. Rational numbers are commutative under addition. If A and B are any two rational numbers, A plus, now better to write, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now let us see whether the rational numbers are commutative under subtraction. If A minus B is equal to B minus A, then we can say that rational numbers are commutative under subtraction. Let us see whether this A minus B is equal to B minus A or not. So I am taking two rational numbers, 2 by 5 comma 3 by 4. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. First I am doing subtraction. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Now check 5. How many times in 20? 5. How many times in 20? 5 4 are 20. 5 4 are 20. That 4 and this numerator. 5 2 are 4 2 are. It's going 4 times. That 4 into 2. 4 2 are 8 minus. Now check for 4. 4 how many times in 20? 5 times. That 5 into numerator 3. 5 3 are 15. 8 minus 15 minus 7 by 20. For A minus B I am getting the answer minus 7 by 20. Now I am reversing the order and checking. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. Again LCM is 20. 4 in 20 5 times. That 5 into numerator. 5 3 are 15 minus. Again this 5. 5 how many times in 20? 4 times. That 4 into 2. 8. Here the answer is 15 minus 8. See, when I am doing A minus B, I am getting the answer minus 7 by 20. When I am reversing and do subtraction, then 7 by 20. These two answers are different from each other. First one is negative, second one is positive. So, A minus B not equal to B minus A. A minus B not equal to B minus A. So, we can say that rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. I am saying not commutative, here A minus B not equal to B minus A. So that I am saying rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. A into B 3 by 10 and B into A also I am getting the same answer 3 by 10. So A into B is equal to B into A, that is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. Even I am reversing the order, I am getting the same result 3 by 10 and 3 by 10. So we can say rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Let's see division, whether the rational numbers are commutative under division or not. If A divided by B is equal to B divided by A, then we can say that rational numbers are commutative under division. I am taking the numbers 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by 5 into this divided by symbol. I am changing as into symbol. Then the next fraction will become reciprocal. I have to write the reciprocal of the next number. That is 4 by 3. 2 4 ja 8, 5 3 ja 15. 8 by 15 is the answer for A divided by B. Now I am checking B divided by A. 3 by 4. This division symbol changing into symbol. Next, the reciprocal of next number, that is 5 by 2. 3 5 ja 15. 4 2 ja 18. See here, 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. I am getting the answer 8 by 15. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. I am getting the answer 15 by 8. These two are different answers. They are not equal. So 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 4 is not equal 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. From this I can say these numbers are not commutative under division. Now let us take an overview on commutative property. Commutative property for addition. Whether the rational numbers are commutative under addition or not. Yes. Rational numbers are commutative under addition. Now, rational numbers are commutative under subtraction or not? No. A minus B not equal to B minus C. So, rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. Next, multiplication. Rational numbers are commutative under multiplication or not? Yes. A into B is equal to B into A. Finally, division. A divided by B not equal to B divided by A. So, division is not. Rational numbers are not commutative under division.